Howdy everybody, we're here in beautiful Copenhagen. It's finally a sunny day and I wanted to show you something. I want to show you to the left of me here is the Opera House. I think that's what it is. This is beautiful architecture, but what I really want to show you is this smokestack over here, which I don't know if you can see, but it's coming out of that giant building, which is totally suspect. Now, Copenhagen, as far as I know, is kind of celebrated as a very sustainable city. They have a lot of really cool infrastructure and initiatives that's happening. And so every time I'm walking right here, which is one of my favorite places to walk in Copenhagen, especially on a day like today, it's right by the river. You might hear the boats, you might hear the seagulls a little bit. I always see this like smokestack and I'm like, if Copenhagen is such a sustainable city, what the heck is that? And well, okay, I do know what it is a little bit, but I'm excited to tell you what it is because once I found out, I was like, I think I want to go check that out. So obviously it's a giant hill and that's what it's known for. It's kind of the tallest hill, a man-made hill here in Copenhagen. There's a lot of really cool activities you can go over there, but it's really what's underneath it, obviously, which is causing the smoke, that is quite interesting. So today, I have a challenge for myself. I'm gonna go check it out. And also, I'm gonna not use Google Maps. I'm just gonna follow that smoke cloud and see if I can get myself there. So that's gonna be a very interesting challenge and you're gonna come along. All right, let's do it. Okay. So I'll tell you where we're headed. It's called Copenhill. And it's an energy plant that converts waste from around Copenhagen and some foreign imports and turns it into high-pressured steam, which then generates energy as well as central heating for the city. How fucking cool is that? What I personally found fascinating, though, is the architectural concept that houses this technology, hedonistic sustainability, which is a term, I guess, coined by Bjarke Ingels, whose architecture firm BIG, Bjarke's Ingels Group, is responsible for designing this mega hill. So hedonistic sustainability is all about how sustainability shouldn't have to come at the expense of joy, which is at least my interpretation. And it's definitely a concept that could maybe be applied to other parts of our lives. Business sustainability, personal sustainability, other forms of sustainability. I don't think we should have to give those things up in expense of joy. So you might not be able to tell, but we were over there on the other side of the harbor. I just crossed a bridge and now we are right here. I know this area a little bit, so I kind of knew I had to go over the bridge, but I've never actually gone there, so it's a good start. Also, I got so sweaty, so I had to get rid of my jacket. Look what I found. Copenhill, ski, snowboard, climbing, run and hike, cafe, viewpoint, that's where I want to go. It's only 200 meters away. As I approached the building, I have to say it was both overwhelming and underwhelming at the same time. It's obviously an energy plant, not something in particular that I'm fond of and would maybe go out of my way to go check out all the time, but I was still intrigued by the giant hill and its roof, which is what most of the people here excited about it is probably gonna end up checking out. So you can see the smoke right here. It's almost as though it just blends in with the clouds. This right here is the world's largest, tallest climbing surface. You can literally climb the building. This thing is so tall that it's the first climbing wall on a building that you can actually pitch on, which I'm not a climber, so I don't really know what that means, but that's just what I read. You can tell here just how massive it is. You are on top of pressure equipment. Yeah, got it. Yeah, we're on an energy plant, so be careful is what they're saying. So everybody, so as you can see, you got the ski slopes to the left of me. It's made out of this grass plastic material. and we are walking up now. You can take an elevator, but I figured I'd walk up. We kind of check out the scenery as we go. And yeah, pretty crazy that you can come here and just ski if that's what you want to do. You can see some people to the left of me. They are taking a class right now, which is pretty cool. And of course, the steam that's coming out, which we'll understand what's happening here by the end of this video. I just have to get myself to go inside and figure what this damn thing is. Okay, not gonna lie, this is a little bit of a hike. So if you're here in Copenhagen and you wanna hike, you can run the trail thingy right here, or obviously you can walk on the stairs like I am. But yeah, definitely come here if you wanna exercise. You can run up all these things, get your cardio on. Behind me, you can start to see how high we're getting, because the view just keeps getting better and better. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to come and shoot this today, but I'm happy I did. You can see all the little ski obstacles. They do a lot of freestyle skiing competitions here, which is pretty cool. I guess for me, I was most excited by Copenhagen's initiative to build something like this right next to the city center, and how the technology inside actually made that possible. I kept wondering to myself, like, what would New York City or San Francisco, places I have both lived in and definitely smelled the stenches of the trash, look like if they were to incorporate hedonistic sustainability into their urban spaces? I mean, could we clean up the East River while it serves as an artificial wave generator for surfing? Or like build wind farms with a view, or provide homeless shelters with clean energy job training? Maybe. But for now though, I kept hiking up this damn hill, trying to enjoy it for what it is. As I approached the top, I took in the view, which is great. I looked at the cafe, which is kind of interesting. I assume in the summer it's probably really poppin' and fun, and I did consider buying a 1-hour pass to ski down this hill, but I didn't, because I was tired. And so I took the elevator down, and I got a peek at this massive inside, a sophisticated system of turning unrecyclable waste into energy. And so if you are interested in learning more about the logistics of this system and the arguments for and against it, because I've been reading a little bit more about if this type of energy generation system is good or not, I've linked my research notes below, right in the comment section. Anyways, okay, bye Copenhill. I'm gonna go home now and eat some food. That was fun though. Highly recommend checking it out. Fun place for a date, a summer hangout. Yeah, come check it out.